In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to blur the background on Zoom for others. This is a handy feature if you want to keep your surroundings private or simply create a more professional-looking environment during meetings. So, let's dive in and get started. First, you're going to want to make your way to the Zoom website. Open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL for Zoom in the address bar. Once the web page loads, you should see the home page with all the features Zoom has to offer right there at your fingertips. Now, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll spot the Sign In button. Click on it to access your Zoom account. If you're not signed up yet, you'll need to create an account, but if you're following along, I'll assume you've already got that covered. Enter your login details and proceed to your account dashboard. With your credentials verified, it's time to join your meeting. There should be a link available on your dashboard to either join a scheduled call or start a new meeting. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you into the meeting interface where you'll see all the controls and options you're used to. Now, let's focus our attention on the bottom left side of the Zoom window. You'll see an arrow next to the video icon. This little arrow is the gateway to customizing your video settings, including the long-awaited blur option. Click on it and a menu will pop up offering various choices. Look through the available options and you'll find one labeled Blur My Background. Click on this and voila, your background will instantly become artistically blurry. This applies to everyone else in the meeting too, so your backdrop remains beautifully obscure to all. And there you have it. Your meeting environment is now transformed with a professionally blurred background, helping you maintain a neat and uninterrupted focus in your online discussions. It's a subtle change, but it can make a world of difference in the way you present yourself on video calls. To recap, we visited the Zoom website, signed into our account, joined our meeting, accessed the video settings, and selected the blur background option. It's as simple as that. By familiarizing yourself with these easy steps, you can ensure your meetings are both secure and professional, without any unnecessary distractions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps make your virtual meetings more polished and enjoyable.